We'll guide you through how to accept payments using Stripe. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard, which provides an overview of your Stripe activity. To start accepting payments, you'll need to set up a payment link. Click on the Payments tab on the left-hand menu, then select Payment Links. From there, click Create Payment Link. This is where you can configure your payment preferences. Enter the details of the product or service you're offering, including the name, description, and the price you want to charge. You can also set the currency and add any additional options, such as recurring billing if you're offering a subscription service. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click Create Link. Stripe will generate a unique URL that you can share with your customers. Copy the link and distribute it via email, social media, or directly on your website to start accepting payments. Your customers will be redirected to a secure Stripe-hosted page where they can enter their payment information. Stripe handles the security and compliance, so you don't have to worry about it. Once a payment is made, you'll see it reflected in your dashboard, and you can transfer the funds to your bank account. Remember to check your payout settings to ensure your funds are being transferred to the correct account. This method is straightforward and secure, making it easy for anyone to start accepting payments online. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.